Discounts in Ramio are more than a percentage off. There are 4 different kinds, 2 ways to trigger them, and a set of limits that decide who can use them and how often. Getting those limits right is what stops one code emptying your margin. Marketing, then discounts. Create discount. First decision, what the discount applies to. 4 options and they behave differently. Amount off order takes money off the whole basket. Simple, predictable, and the one to reach for when you just want a sale on. Amount off products applies only to specific products or collections. Everything else in the basket stays full price. Use this to clear one line without discounting your whole catalog. Free shipping does what it says, and it has a setting worth knowing. You can cap it, so it only applies to shipping rates below an amount you set. That stops a free shipping code paying for an expensive same-day courier. And buy X, get Y is the offer type. Buy 2, get 1 free. You define what the customer buys and what they get free or at a discount. It's the strongest lever for raising basket size because it rewards adding rather than spending. Then method, and this is the one people overlook. A discount can be a code the customer types at checkout or automatic, which applies itself the moment the basket qualifies. Codes are for campaigns you can track and share, an influencer, a newsletter, a specific channel. Automatic is for something that should just happen, like 10% off everything this weekend, where making people hunt for a code only costs you sales. For a code discount, this is what customers actually type. Keep it short and readable. Anything ambiguous gets typed wrong, and a customer who fails twice usually leaves. Ramio can generate one for you. Promotion is separate. It's an internal reference name, not visible to customers. That's for you, so a list of 40 discounts still makes sense in 6 months. Discount type is percentage off or flat amount off, and value is the number. A percentage scales with basket size, a flat amount doesn't, which makes it far more generous on small orders than you might intend. Minimum requirement is your first guardrail. No minimum, a minimum purchase amount in rupees, or a minimum quantity of items. This is what protects you from someone using a 200 rupee off code on a 210 rupee order. Customer eligibility decides who can redeem it. All customers, specific customer segments, specific customers by name, or first-time buyers only. That last one is how you run a genuine new customer offer without your regulars quietly claiming it. Then usage limits, and there are 2 doing different jobs. Limit total number of uses stops the code after a set number of redemptions across everyone, your budget cap. Limit per customer caps how many times one person can use it. Set that to 1 on anything public. Without it, a single customer can run the same code on order after order, and a code posted publicly can be used indefinitely by anyone who finds it. Exclude sale items is a small switch that saves real money. With it on, the discount won't stack on products already marked down, so you don't end up paying twice on the same item. Set start date and set end date control when it runs. An end date matters more than it looks. A seasonal code with no expiry is still working next year, and you will forget it exists. The summary panel on the right builds as you go. Read it before saving. It's the plainest description of what you've actually configured, and it's where you'll notice a limit you meant to set and didn't. Status controls whether it's live. You can build a discount today, leave it inactive, and switch it on when the sale starts. That's discounts. Pick the type, decide code or automatic, and set your minimum and per customer limits before you publish it anywhere.